Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a 68 reg Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV, plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. Diamond cut alloys, keyless entry, keyless starting, electric folding mirrors, electric mirrors, parking camera at the rear, very clean car, one owner with full service history. When you lock the door, the mirrors fold. This is the button here for the keyless part to lock it and unlock it. Leather and suede seats, side airbags. In here you have your all important locking wheel nut key. Instruction manuals there. Heated front seats. Isofix rear seats. These seats obviously fold down as well, which just gives you a lot of room. This is your reversing camera here. Cavernous area here. Power outlet here. Drinks holders here when the to store drinks and that. You can just see the colour. It looks black, but it's like an aubergine, browny aubergine colour. Quite a nice colour actually. USB here in the middle for people sitting in the back. 4 electric windows, electric mirrors, lock and unlock the vehicle. Quite adjustable driver's seat. Into the vehicle. To start the vehicle up, put your foot on the brake. Push this button as long as you've got the key with you. Illuminated vanity mirror both sides. Auto dimming rear view mirror. USB heated front screen. If I show you this, I'll put my finger there. You see the lines? Just about see the lines. Like very fine lines, you can't really see them really. Reversing camera, back into park. Obviously this is your gear lever automatic. This is your different EV modes. Sport, 4-wheel drive motor. Handbrake auto hold. Nice pocket there to store stuff. And the vehicle's done, as you can see, 26,133 miles. Needs petrol, which we will obviously be putting in. Or we will be putting petrol in. These are to adjust your regeneration of the braking. Auto wipers. Auto lights. Dual climate control. Eco mode there, gives you more range. Cruise control, speed limiter I want to say. This source, this is your radio, what source you want, DAB. You need to connect your phone and then your phone will do Android Auto, mirror link, that sort of stuff. So but you need to connect your phone. You can see it, a phone, iPod, USB, Bluetooth audio. But you need to connect your phone for that to work successfully. That's how you turn the vehicle off. Sunglasses case here. Thank you for watching. If you get any questions, please give us a call.